Hey guys, why is it that in every scary movie, the stereotype is that the white people hears a creepy noise and says, "Let me go check that out," while the black person is halfway out the front door. If it was me, the second I see something weird, hear a strange noise, or watch the lights start flickering, I'm gone. The first thing I'm saying is, "Lord Jesus, please help me. I'm way too young to die." You want me to walk into a dark basement after hearing footsteps? Absolutely not. The person in the movie is like, "Hello, is somebody there?" Meanwhile, I'm like, "I don't care who it is. Y'all enjoy the house. I'm leaving." If I see a shadow move, a door closed by itself, or a creepy little kid standing in the hallway at 3 a.m., that's between y'all and the ghost. I'm not investigating anything. People in scary movies have way too much curiosity, especially white people. But black people, as soon as they see anything creepy or dark, they just turn the other way and just go on about the business. Me, I choose peace. I choose life. I choose the nearest exit. Maybe that's why the stereotype says black people don't stick around in horror movies. We're not trying to become the opening scene.